guys, we're gonna make the bacon jam now. So we're just waiting for the pan to heat up. I'll put the butter in. Alright, so we got the butter going here. We're going to turn the heat down a bit. Show you the onions. Not too big, but not too small. Do all the onions. And I'll just separate half of them once they're cooked. We're going to do a spicy bacon jam. And we're going to do just a regular barbecue bacon jam. That color. That go for the longer. Alright. I'm going to add some of this brown sugar in. Alright, so that's about. Alright. So I think I'm good for that. See this? I'm going to dump this in a bowl. Then we're going to add the bacon that I have chopped up finely in the chunks, so it'll be like bacon bits. I'm going to add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. We want the bacon super crispy. Alright, throw in some brown sugar now. Alright, so I added half of the bacon and half of the onions. We're going to add the jam and the barbecue sauce. So it's about a 1/4 cup of barbecue sauce and a 1/4 cup of jam. That's the final result right there. It's the spicy.